Hello and welcome back, and in this video we're going to be going back to our add new note screen. And in add new note, if you remember, we were supposed to call create new password here. So let's call create new password, and we want to create a new password with self dot create password, and we want to tie this to on disappear. Okay, and we want to perform some actions on disappear. So we're going to say if password helper dot is password blank, all right, then self dot is secure toggle. Okay, so if user leaves it blank, then we are going to simply say simply gonna secure toggle. Okay, you could just gonna uncheck that. All right, so let's go ahead and run this, and let's see what we have got so far. So we should have our secure note, and we should have create, and create is still showing add new note. Okay, so let's go to our notes home, and in the notes home we should be calling add. Okay, add new note, and we're gonna say show add is gonna have self dot dollar show add. We're gonna pass that, and we'd have to actually pass the environment, because for modals, for some reason SwiftUI does not pass the environment automatically. It only happens when you, so the environment, like I said, environment, manage object context, or anything in the environment is passed to the child of views automatically, right? That child view is, for some reason, is considered only for navigation controllers. So whenever you have a navigation view, and you have a navigation and you're navigating or pushing your view controller, in other words, and popping back, that's when it's going to be supplied, or it's going to be available to child controllers. Now in case of sheet, it's not. So for that reason we have to actually set that. Okay, and I don't know if that is actually a bug, but hopefully Apple will get around and pass it for all the child controllers or child views. Okay, all right, with that change, let's go ahead and try it out one more time. And there we go, we have our create new note, and let's press on is secured, and there we have our create new note screen. So let's go ahead and type new, save that. All right, and I see an issue here, and the issue is our secure note, the shield is gone. Okay, did I mistype that? Okay, let's go ahead and take a look. Yes, that's the reason. Okay, yes, okay, that was the reason. So as you know, because we already have a password, it's not gonna present, because password is now blank. So create password screen is not gonna be toggled, so we can our user can simply create a secured note right there. Okay, new note, let's create a new note, save it, and there we go, we have a new note. All right, that's perfect. Now let's create a secure note. Secured note. Okay, and let's make it secured. So there we go. This is our secure note. All right. Cool. So that's actually good. Like, you know, we have bound everything together. Now there are a few things that we need to do. We have to basically obscure our nodes, right? So whenever there is secure, we should not be showing the secured node text here. We should be showing the obscured view. Okay, and when user taps on it, we should not be showing we should be showing some sort of details, and while presenting details, we should also be asking user for their password or biometric auth before we present them the secured note. So those are a few things that actually needs to happen. So let's go ahead and tackle the first one, which is the cell, in the next video, and video after that we're going to tackle the notes detail. Okay, so I'll see you guys in next video for video cell, for note cell. Okay, thank you.